Parang isang langkang na sintobi di un plastor Garguti Canons 23 Mars 18 Get out tomorrow's doing Ay santa kayo sa'yo most not doing Na sintobi di un plastor na si Mars 18 Get out tomorrow's doing Santa Caicina Postcard Tour This is going the old last of the sea The other fighter ain't say hi He's searching for my body He already cuts me says Why hold me fighting on sorry He on a day created a whole beauty And there's a Ons groet julle met hierdie ene en dit was lekker gewees om saam met julle te kuier hierdie ene klink so. Sien julle volgende keer. Tja! Gooi hom, hier gaan ons. Sy's op die dansvloer, sy's